Hello viewers, welcome once again to Ojuk's Online Maths class. Today we'll be looking at a very important hit in mathematics. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ojuk's Online Maths class so as to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And as well, you can follow me on Facebook, also at Ojuk's Online Maths class, so you can be enjoying more of interesting topics in mathematics. Okay, what do we have today? We'll be discussing a very important and a kind of interesting hint in mathematics. I call it possibility of divisibility. What is it all about? When we talk of possibility of divisibility, automatically we are making reference to what the possible values we can use to divide what numbers. We will be starting from 1. When do we say that a 1 can divide a number? Automatically, every numbers are divisible by 1. 20 divided by 1 will automatically give us 20. 30 divided by 1 will automatically give us what? 30. Moving away from 1, what of 2? When do we say that a number is divisible by 2? Automatically, every even number is divisible by 2. 2 is an even number. 2 can be divided by 2 to give us 1. 4 is an even number. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2, and the rest of them. So every even number are all divisible by what? By 2. Okay, let's now advance a bit. When now do we say that a number is divisible by 3? For a number to be divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3, automatically that number can be divided by 3. What do I mean by that? Let's observe this on the board. I have here on the board 222 divided by what? 3. When looking at this number, it looks as if it cannot be divided by 3, as you can see. But if the sum of the digits of this number, if it can be divided by 3, automatically 3 can divide this number. What do I mean by the sum of the digits? I have 222. So the digits there in question are, I have 2 plus 2 plus 2. Automatically it will give me 2 plus 2, I'm having 4. 4 plus 2 is automatically what? 6. So 6 is the sum of the digits. Can 6 be divided by 3? Yes. 6 divided by 3 will automatically give me what? I will have 2. Since 3 can divide the sum of these digits, automatically 3 can divide this 222. So 222 divided by 3 will give me 74. The same thing is applicable here. 225, is it divisible by 3? Yes. Because of what? If you sum the digits of 225, if the value can be divided by 3, automatically this number will be divisible by 3. Let's have it. I have 2 plus 2 plus 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 4 plus 5 will automatically give me what? 9. I'll have 9. 9 divided by 3 will give me what? 3. So if the sum of digits, which is 9, is divisible by 3, automatically 3 can divide 225 to have what? I'll be having 75. Okay, the same thing is applicable here. 705. 705 divided by 3. For me to, if you check this, it's ending by what? Or it's ending with 5. It seems as if 3 cannot divide 705. But once you add up the digits, and the sum of the digits can be divisible by 3, automatically 3 can divide this number. When we add the digits, we're having 7 plus 0, then plus what? 5, which will give me 12. Can 12 be divided by 3? Yes. 12 divided by 3 will give me what? I'll have 4. So 705 is divisible by 3. So once 3 divides 705, I'll be having 235. So you can see, it's very easy to dictate if a number can be divided by 3. Okay, moving away from divisibility by 3, let's look at 4. When do you say that a number is divisible by 4? It's very simple. Okay, let's now move over to divisibility by 4. When do we say that a number is divisible by 4? Automatically, for me to say that a number is divisible by 4, you first of all go and check the last 2 digits of the number. Once that number, or when the last 2 digits of the number can be divided by 4, automatically that number is divisible by 4. Okay, let's check 5,520. If you observe this number, if you check the last 2 digits, we are having there as the last 2 digits as what? 20. Is 20 divisible by 4? Yes. Once the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, automatically that number can be divided by 4. Okay, 5,520 divided by 4 will automatically give us 1,380, which means it is divisible by 4 since the last two digits is divisible by 4. Okay, let's check the second one. I have 5,504 divided by 4. Is this divisible by 4? How do you check? Observe the last two digits. 04. Is 04 divisible by 4? Yes. 04 is just the same thing as saying 4. Can 4 divide 4? Yes. Automatically 4 divided 4 will give us 1. So since the last two digits is divisible by 4, automatically 4 can divide this number. So 5,504 divided by 4 will automatically give me 1,376. Then lastly, 2,728 divided by 4. Check the last two digits. I am having 28. Is 28 divisible by 4? Yes. 28 divided by 4 will automatically give me 7. So since the last two digits can be divided by 4, automatically 4 can divide this. So 4 divided 2,728, I will be having 682. So you can see it is easier to decide if a number is divisible by either 3 or 4. So in my subsequent video, I will be premiering divisibility by 5 and as well divisibility by 6, 7, 8 and what? And 9. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so as to enjoy more of interesting hints in mathematics.